Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about the Celcius app and get into crypto a bit. So the beginning of 2021, I decided to take crypto a bit more seriously. My middle brother actually told me about it years ago, and to get in on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and I bought maybe $100 of Bitcoin and sold it a couple of years later, nothing serious. I was just I don't know. So now it's a thing for real. So I just wanted to cover folks that are especially in New York have a really hard time getting into crypto because we have very strict laws here in New York. But even if you're not in New York, I'm going to, 1, show you how you can buy your crypto, 2, and how you can earn money on it, and 3, the crypto that I'm buying for myself that I feel are the safe-ish crypto to buy. So with that being said, if you're new to my channel, hello. And please like and subscribe. I cover videos on finance and tech and all types of different things. And I do have a playlist of finance stuff. So in this crypto session, I'm going to talk specifically about 2 apps that I use. The app that I use to buy my crypto on is Coinbase. There are a lot of other ones out there. There's Gemini and things of that nature. But here in New York, Coinbase is very easy for me to buy crypto on, and it's a very heavily used one. And Coinbase as a company just went public on the stock market, and they've made billions and billions and billions of dollars. And the reason being is when you buy crypto on any platform, not just Coinbase's, they charge you a small fee when you buy crypto and a small fee when you sell crypto, right? And it's a very small fee. Another thing to note with Coinbase, there's 2 versions of Coinbase. There's regular Coinbase and then Coinbase Pro. This is a insider tip, super important, and will save you a lot of money if you're going to trade with it or buy a bunch of crypto. Regular Coinbase charges you a fee of 1% of how much your crypto you're buying. Okay? Coinbase Pro charges you a 0.45 or 0.25% based on what you buy and sell, depending on how big your purchase is. In a nutshell, if you're going to buy a lot of crypto often, using dollar cost averaging, you're going to buy every month or something like that, use Coinbase Pro because the fees are a lot less and will save you a lot of money. Okay? And the difference in the apps isn't really crazy. Okay? So, and it's free to join Coinbase Pro. Both apps are free. Okay? So, Coinbase, what it is think of your Fidelities and your Vanguards and your Charles Schwab. They're brokerages, right? So, Coinbase is a crypto brokerage, sort of, right? So, Coinbase is just a platform that you can buy a bunch of different cryptos on. Same thing with Vanguard. Vanguard is a brokerage where you can buy a different bunch of stocks, bonds, ETFs, index funds, all types of stuff, right? So that's what Coinbase is. I won't get into mining too much on this video, but I'll say this. My middle brother used to mine Ethereum back in 2015, 2017, when it was actually pretty profitable to do so. And he told me most recently I was going to buy a mining rig because Ethereum had hit all-time highs. And he was like, you're wasting your time. Don't do it. You're too late. So there's people out there that are definitely still mining. But if you're trying to get in it now as a small-time person or try to create a mining rig, my advice would be just like my brother said, don't do it. You're too late. Okay. So I'm going to show you Coinbase. I'm going to open up Coinbase Pro on my phone and show you the different cryptos on it. Different crypto brokerages have a bunch of different ones, but there's tons of different, here, let me do this, different crypto on here. Here, let me see if I can put a piece of paper behind it or something so it hides my face or something like that. There we go, right? So there's ADA, there's Doge, there's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, there's Solana. There's so many different cryptos. I can just keep going and going and going and going and go. There's so many. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna keep it very short. The only crypto that you will see here, let me unlock my portfolio. The only crypto you will see in my portfolio is, I've got Bitcoin in another wallet. I just buy Ethereum, and Dogecoin is like just play money for me. Don't take it seriously. Dogecoin is a meme. There's no value really behind it, but it's just something to have fun with. And I like Shiba Inus. They're so cute. So anyways, that's why you don't see a lot of it. It's just like $500 that's in Doge, but the majority, 83% of my portfolio is in Ethereum. So I do have Bitcoin. It's not in Coinbase. It's on a virtual wallet, and I'll talk more about that for security later. All right. So Coinbase, that is where you can buy crypto. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, a bunch of other different ones. If I were you and you're just beginning to get into crypto, stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Most preferably Ethereum. The thing about Bitcoin is it's very, very expensive. I think one Bitcoin right now is like $35,000. Most people don't have $35,000 lying around. And if you do, cash at me, okay? Ethereum's a bit more affordable. The price of Ethereum right now, as of recording this, is hovering right around 21,064. I don't know if it's gonna, okay, it won't. So, yes, if you're gonna buy crypto, stick to Ethereum and Bitcoin initially, right? With a preference for Ethereum because it's a bit cheaper. Now let's move to Celcius and how to earn money on your crypto, right? Because the thing about crypto is the prices are volatile, they go up and down, but the stock market does the same thing, right? So, excuse me. If you have your money sitting in a savings account, right? You're lucky if you even get 1%, even in a high yield savings account. And inflation is 2 to 3% per year. So having your money sitting in a savings account is losing you money over time. Is it good to have a savings account? Yes, it's good to have some type of liquid cash in case of emergencies. But if you have a large amount, like over $10,000, $20,000 in your savings, you could be making money in a different place. So me personally, this is how I've handled my finances. I've got $10K in a high yield savings account, and the rest of my funds that are for savings, I put into Celcius, right? So I have Bitcoin. I've transferred my Bitcoin into the Celcius app. Celcius says, okay, for your Bitcoin, I'm going to give you 8.88% interest per year for storing your Bitcoin here with us, right? So Celcius is an app. It's also similar to Coinbase, except in New York, you can't buy crypto on it. All other states, you can buy crypto on Celcius. But it also kind of functions as a bank, because if you keep your crypto with them, they will give you interest on your crypto, right? So, for example, let me open up my Celcius app and show you how, and this is just passive money, and it's better than having a chunk of your money sitting in savings losing value over time. So, Celcius app, right? So let me go ahead and log in so you can see what it looks like. Okay, right? So you can put not just Bitcoin in here, you can transfer different coins in here, you can transfer Ethereum in here, you can also transfer USD coin in here as well, right? So here, if you want to transfer Ethereum into here, you can transfer Bitcoin, USD coin, and what's this one at the bottom? and Celcius coin as well, right? So there's different coins you can put in here, right? You can treat Celcius as like your savings account. And even to date, and mind you, I've only had this account open like a week or so, maybe like 2 weeks, and I've got just under $5,000 in there, and it's earned $3.20. Can y'all see that? And it's been like 2 weeks. Some of y'all have had your savings accounts for a year and haven't even seen $3, okay? So the thing about Celcius is you can actually borrow against your crypto too. Like, let's say you do a stupid move and you deposit like $20,000 of all of your savings into Celcius and have it in Bitcoin, and then like an emergency comes up. Instead of selling your Bitcoin and possibly having tax implications, what you can do is borrow against your Bitcoin, and Celcius will give you the cash for like a really, really low interest rate. So, had some fancy stuff in there. So yeah, if you're looking to gain more money on your savings, Celcius is a really good app for that using crypto. Cool. All right. Last thing I will say about finance and cryptocurrency, when I said virtual wallet, security. You may have heard even Coinbase has been, users has been hacked before. It doesn't happen often. It happens less often than fraud in somebody's bank account, but it happens. So if you really, really want to keep your crypto safe, if you're a beginner, if you have less than $10,000 that you're buying in crypto, I don't think it's a big deal to keep it on the platforms like Gemini, like Celcius, like Coinbase. Personally, if you have over $10,000 in crypto, that's a significant amount of crypto that you probably don't want stolen. What you can do is you can get a either virtual wallet or a hardware wallet, which is like a external drive, and transfer your crypto to either a hardware wallet or a virtual wallet. Me personally, I use a virtual wallet because I'm afraid if I have a hardware wallet, I move a lot, I'll lose it, and that's a lot of crypto and money lost. The hardware wallet is the most secure, though, to be honest. It's the most secure way to store your crypto. But if you're like me and you're forgetful and you lose stuff a lot, a virtual wallet might be the way to go. So last thing about hardware wallets, do not just buy hardware wallets from anywhere. Buy them from manufacturers. The reason being, if you buy it randomly off Amazon or eBay with a company that you don't know, people can put software onto your wallet, send it to you, and then you're like, oh, okay, I'll put my crypto on there, and they have some type of programming to hack your wallet and steal your crypto. So if you're ever going to buy a hardware wallet, buy it directly from the manufacturer's website. Do not play around buying it from like Facebook Marketplace or online, eBay, don't do that because you're going to get scammed. All right. With that being said, I know you may have some questions out there. I'm going to post more about crypto as I'm getting deeper and deeper into it. But like I said, I'm 6 months in, kind of, and 1 week into Celcius. So I'm going to be using dollar cost averaging and putting in $2,000 per month into Ethereum for the rest of this year. So you'll be able to see how that grows and how much I get on my earnings and things of that nature, including Bitcoin as well. So I will keep you all posted. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.